come on in, the door's open. You can come in. There's a little robin there. And a couple up there. The door's open. Why don't you come in and join us on a scratch card game? There we are. Open the presents later, but right now sit down by the fire and watch our cards. Here we go. Are you sitting comfortably? Then we'll begin. Okay, Pig, let's get going. First one, Hidden Treasures. Hidden Treasures, Daniel Booher, Booher, and Kay Harris. It's a birthday shout out. I think it was on Christmas Eve. She's someone's, but definitely Kay Harris's birthday is soon. You're going to give her a birthday shout out? Go on in. Kay Harris. Okay. Okay. Let's get on with it. Numbers, remember. So here we go. It's 1. It's 1. It's 2. It's 5. 1, 1, 2, 5. The side 8, 1, 9, 7. 1 again. 8, 9 and 7. Down here 6 and 3. 3, 6. 3 and 3. 2 3s. Where are we? On this side 7 and 4. 7 and 4. And here we've got 5 and 5. 2 left, 8. 1 left, 4. And there we are. No joy on that, but cool, we can get through them quick. And here for a couple of shout outs, Pig. You better keep it going fast. Stoke Slots. Right, and one for Danny King. Danny King. Okay. We're moving now. This is the Pac-Man. We don't see many of these around now. I just found an old shop that had a few old cards. 23, 13. Whether they win, it don't matter. 11, 27, 12, 16, 14, 15, 19 and 20. No. Got a 777 triple. Now, you ready, Pig? There is a thing above here. There's David Scott and Piggy, but no shout out. Diamond Ended Pearl 0135. And Stoke Slots Piggy shout out. Go. Stoke Slots. Okay. Now, what we got here is 3 7s right at the top. Any more for the Skylark? 7, 2. No. 7, 7, 2. No. 4. No. 7, 1. No. 3. No. 7, 5. 7. Last one. 7, 4. No. We just got this one. It's going to be times 1, whatever it is. It's a £2. That's that one out of the way. Centre's millions here. What we'll do, Pig, you're wanted. One's got a little win, this one ain't. This one ain't been touched by human pigs. Samantha Ball, Piggy shout out. Go. Samantha Ball. Yeah. And this one here, it's a bit hard to pronounce, but he says put it down to Uwin. Alright? Go. Piggy shout out. For Uwin. That's it. And we've got Andrew Camberlow, CHAR ALAMBOU something else. Ain't quite fitted it all in. But anyway, Andrew, you can see it, can't he? Okay. Right, Joel, let's see if we can get anything on this. Right, Chihuahua, we got a party hat and a nothing, snowman and a stocking, a snowman and a ollie, a bell and a mince pie, a cracker and a bell, toy and a Father Christmas, a wreath, no, it's not one, spanner, card, and a pudding, scarf, no, 80, 11, 3, okay, all gone. Now this one's got a little win on. There we are. There's 2 wins there, and they're £5. The next one is a £5. Let's get that number up then, because we need that. Oh well, £5. Let's zoom in a bit. A pie, and a pie. A Rudolph, and a Rudolph. A candle. Let's go over here first. 50, 60, 10, 13, 5. Got 5. 5's over there. Pudding. Oh no, look, it's petered out there. Oh. Hat. Oh no, a hat, it's come back in. A wreath, and a wreath, yeah. Stocking, a stocking. Oh, what we got? 5, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 60, 70, 70. Can't get 70, can you? What's 70? I'm wrong somewhere. There's nothing else down here, is there? 5, 10, 15. Oh no, look, I've done that one. That's the one that didn't win. Oh, sod, I've done that. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. I was thinking, how can you get 70? No, I've got 50. We've got 50. Pick. I thought I had 70. I thought, how can you get 70? But we've got 50. What do you want to eat them more? A trough or what? Alright, okay. Well. It is an heavy row, because we ain't got this as well. But wow. Whew. Over it goes. Oh, let's do one of those. Take the heat off. Oh, that was 4, by the way. I don't know if I said it. I Baby, Kay Harris, Peter Piper, and Cheese Jennings. That was on. This one. Oh. Andrew Chambers, Liam Quinn, Piggy shout out, Pig, you're wanted. Liam Quinn, Piggy shout out, go. Liam Quinn. Right, and Gang 443, Piggy shout out. Gang, go on. Gang. Okay, that'll do. Oh, any more wins in the pipeline? Necklace, bundle, safe, chest, car, champagne, no. 1, 13, 250,000, 40, 10, 250,000, 40. No. Let's do a Monopoly. Right, this one's for Peter Kennard, John Christian, and Philip Gunner. Philip Gunner wants a Piggy shout out. Pig. Philip Gunner. Philip Gunner. Okay, that'll do. That will do. Now, can we win on this? I haven't been that lucky with them, but they could cough up. Let's go start here. Need a car, and we ain't got that. We've got something else, and we need 2 symbols here, and we need the same. A cat and a train, a top hat, a penguin and an hammer. Nope. A hotel, a duck, a dog, battleship, and a racing car. No. Right, okay, down here. Zoom in a bit. Your weight. 20 hours, 21 there's, 24 hours, 25 there's, 15 hours, 26 there's. No. 2 the same. 4, 2, 2, 1, 5, 4. Oh, nope, but it don't matter, because we won some tonight. Next one. Okay, well, it's the last one, but looks it. Pig, you're wanted. This is the one that's a Christmas Eve birthday. Kay Harris's wasn't on Christmas Eve. I was getting them muddled up because it's got Christmas Eve there. No, that's right. This is another birthday one. Gaz Evans wants a birthday shout out for his mum, Jean Parker, whose birthday's on Christmas Eve. So you won't get 2 lots of presents. You get the same. You just get the same for Christmas and that. They used to give you both in one go, didn't they? All right, go on in, Pig. Go. What? What you stop for? It's a birthday one. Go on in. It's Jean Parker. Okay, that do. Now we have got a little win here. We've got 2 jumpers there, so we're not going to win something. Is that it? Is that it? Let's zoom in a bit in case it's something else I don't suppose it is. The next one is a treasure chest and a skate, a hat and earmuffs, a wood and a holly, and the last one's a blah, blah, and a blah. So all we've got is this, but what is it? It's £2. It could have been like a £5 just to please us. But there we are. Now let's see what happens. Okay, £26 we spent. These all lost this side. But we won 50. 52, 54. We won 54. I thought that was a wild can, and that's what I think 70. So there we are. There we are, Pig. Come and say bye. Okay, off we go. Say ta-da. Tell them not to forget the likes. Okay. Here we go. Alright, good night.